ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणी भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनी अम्ब त्वं संदधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणि नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे पुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण प्रज्वलित ज्ञानमयो प्रदीप प्रपन्न पारिजाताय ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृते दुहे नमः वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथ्यला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहुनी कर्णेन वेदिला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनि सोतीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी दैवर्तककेशवः पारासरज सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनपटपदे हरः तेऽपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमरप्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसि मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् गीतामाहात्म्यम् गीताशास्त्रमिदं पुण्यं य पठेत् प्रयतपुनां विष्णोः पदमवाप्नोति भयशोकाविवर्जितः गीताध्यानशीलस्य प्राणायामपरस्य च नैव सन्ति हि पापानि पूर्वजन्मकृतानि च मलनिर्मोचनं पूसां जलस्नानं दिने दिने सकृतगीता भसि स्नानं संसारमलनाशनं गीता सुगीता कर्तव्या किमेकशास्त्रविस्तरैः या स्वयं पद्मनाभस्य मुखपद्माद्विनिः श्रुता भारतामृतसर्वस्वं विष्णोरस्तद्विनिःसृतं गीतागन्धोदकं पीत्वा पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्स सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् एकं शास्त्रं देवकीपुत्रगीत एको देवो देवकीपुत्र एव एको मन्त्रस्य नामानि यानि कर्माणि देवस्य सेवाः अथ ध्यानम् शान्ताकारं भुजशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिज्ञानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम् ओ यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदे साङ्गप्रमोदनिषदे गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थिततगेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तर्विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः
धन्यवादः. Now today I don't want to teach anything from the book. Okay. पुस्तकात् किमपि न पाठ्यते अद्य. किमर्थम् इत्युक्ते अहं यदा भवतां प्रश्नपत्रान् यदा अहं परिशीलितवान् तत्र प्रथमः प्रश्नः तु सरलः एव आसीत्. केवलं तत्र विभक्तिरूपाणि लेखनीयानि आसीत्. प्रायः सर्वैः उत्तमः अङ्कः प्राप्तः तत्र. अनन्तरं द्वितीयात् तृतीयात् आरभ्य अन्तपर्यन्तं ये प्रश्नाः आसन् तत्रापि केवलं objective type. I mean, you just give one answer and then get with it. Only the second question was there where you had to compose something, and most of you had done lot of mistakes. I mean, I was aghast to know that there are, common mistakes. So let us discuss those things. Okay. So now I will share the screen. and tell you what is the. I mean, we will discuss all of us. Okay, now I will open this. See, now are you able to see?
Yes.
Huh? सामान्य दोषाः, अथवा सामान्याः दोषाः. Most common thing that I found, people just don't know where to use anuswara, where to not to use, or where to write ma, half ma, full ma, whatever it is. Wherever you feel, and especially the misconception about Sanskrit is you apply or attach anuswara and visarga wherever you feel like it. The natural your own language sentence will become Sanskrit. That is wrong. Okay. So kutra anuswara bhavati, kutra na bhavati. Eka mahati samasya. That is the maximum. Then vibhaktinam arthaha. Huh? का विभक्ति कुत्र प्रयोक्तव्या बहवः दोषाः सन्ति. अनन्तरम् among the vibhaktis, dvitiya vibhakti is the most problematic. Okay, wherever you want to use dvitiya vibhakti, most of the people will use prathama. Okay, I'll give an example from Hindi. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. It is a nobody knows whether it is a prathama or dvitiya. So same thing you will use there. Okay, here in the Sanskrit, we will discuss about that. Then lingam, that is most, I mean, one of the major problem. Where do you use pullinga? Where do you use napusakalinga? Where do you use strilinga? All confusion. Then next I found is vibhakta padam. Kim nama padam? Kutra vibhajya lekhniyam? Kutra samasta padam lekhniyam? इदानीं पद्म आगतवती अस्ति. अहम् अग्रे वदामि. तावत्पर्यन्तं किञ्चिदहं तया सह पद्मा, अहं लेट् मी फिनिश् दिस् टेबल्, देन् ऐ विल् कम् बेक् टु यू.
चिन्ता नास्ति महोदय.
हा, अस्तु. तर्हि कुत्र विभज्य लेखनीयं, कुत्र समस्तपदं लेखनीयम्, एकः विषयः. बहवः दोषाः सन्ति तत्र. अनन्तरं विशेषण विशेष्यभावाः, that we have discussed umpteen number of times, still people do mistakes. Then kriya padam, lakaraha purushaha vachanam, anantaram pradeshik bhashanam prabhavaha. इदानीम् एते सामान्य दोषाः मया दृष्टाः भवतां सर्वेषाम् उत्तरपत्रिकासु. अनन्तरं वयं तद्विषये अधिकं चर्चां करिष्यामः. तत्पूर्वं पद्मा भगिनी, भवती किञ्चित् वीडियो अन्म्यूट् करोतु. सर्वान् मुखं दर्शयतु. अहं परिचयं कारयिष्यामि.
नमस्ते सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते.
I will first stop sharing the screen. एषा पद्मा भगिनी इति अस्ति. She is one of my students who has surpassed me. I am proud of her. She joined my 2016, and then she has attended Sambhashan Varga, then Gita Sopan 1, Gita Sopan 2. कोऽपि अन्यः शब्दः अत्र आगच्छति, अहं न जानामि. I taught her up to Gita Sopan 2. Then I had to go out of country, so I could not continue with her. But she continued with her MA. She got admission to MA in Sanskrit. What is that university, Padma? Karnataka State.
Karnataka Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya.
Karnataka
KSU.
Vishwavidyalaya. Now this year, just I think few days back, she has completed her MA. I mean, she has submitted her papers. Now she is free, and not only that, she has been instrumental in augmenting my own knowledge about Sanskrit. And one of the major contributions, nothing to do with Sanskrit, she helped our Sanskrit Bharati Halsuru Bhaga by bringing a donation of 50,000 rupees from Indian Oil Corporation in the year some 2016 or 17, I don't remember, when we had conducted a Jilla Sammelanam. She was instrumental in it. Without her, this one, we could not have got 50,000 rupees as donation from Indian Oil. She is basically a chartered accountant by, her training. But now I think she has devoted herself fully to Sanskrit. She dreams also in Sanskrit, as per my knowledge. Huh? I want
Satyam.
Satyam Khalu? See?
Evam Satyam.
Astu. Then I thought it will be a nice this one if she comes and two things. One is she can inspire you with her own experience in Sanskrit, and whatever she has experienced here, स्वानुभवान् कथयतु इति अहं प्रार्थये. अनन्तरं अस्माकं छात्राः अपि भवतीं दृष्ट्वा किञ्चित् उत्साहं प्राप्नुयुः इति मम चिन्तनम्. अस्तु तर्हि भवती वदतु.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः. स्टाट्यूटरी वार्निंग अहं हरि ओम
निमिषद्वयं भगिनी अस्माकं वर्गं प्रति स्वागतं.
प्रभाकर महोदय नमस्ते.
आमां नमस्ते, स्वागतं वर्गं प्रति. यदा सतीश महोदय उक्तवान्, भवती निश्चयेन अस्माकं इन्स्पिरेशन् एव. भवती बेंच मार्क् इति किमपि अस्ति चेत् भवती एव बेंच मार्क् अस्माकं कृते.
धन्यवादः महोदय, अहं न अङ्गीकरोमि, किन्तु तथापि धन्यवादः.
तद् वस्तुतः तदेव विषयः. अनन्तरं कृपया कथयतु भवत्याः अनुभवं कथम् अस्ति इति. एम् ए करणीयं चेत् अस्माभिः किं किं करणीयम् इति कृपया कथयतु. धन्यवादः.
अस्तु महोदय, सर्वेभ्यो नमस्काराः. सतीश महोदयः, प्रभाकर महोदयश्च they said all kinds of things. तथा न, अहमपि सामान्य छात्रा एव, किन्तु उत्साहेन अहं पठामि तावदेव. यथा सतीश महोदयेन उक्तः, मम यदा अहं स्वपिति तदापि यदा अहं सोपाने अस्मि तथापि मम चिन्तने तु संस्कृतमेव अस्ति सर्वदा. तादृशी भाषा इति एव वक्तव्यं. स्वानुभवं कथयतु इति एव उक्तवन्तः. वस्तुतः मम संस्कृतयात्रा 2016 मध्ये आरब्धा. एप्रिल 14 दिनाङ्के, एप्रिल 14 2016 अहं रामकृष्णमठे प्रथमं मम सम्भाषणशिबिरं प्रति गतवती. तत्रैव सतीश महोदयस्य परिचयोऽपि अभवत्. अत्यन्तम् उत्साहेन अहं गतवती. तत्र सतीश महोदयं दृष्ट्वा प्रभाकर महोदयमपि दृष्टवती तत्रैव. तत् सम्भाषणशिबिरं तु मम जीवनस्य परिवर्तनमेव कृतम् इति वक्तव्यं. यतः बहु आनन्दः प्राप्तः मया तत्र. यदा दशेभ्यः दिनेभ्यः एव तस्मिन् प्रकोष्ठस्य पुरतः सर्वेषां पुरतः स्थित्वा लघु वचनं यदा अस्माभिर्दीयते तदा मयापि इदं कर्तुं शक्यते वा इति भ्रमः एव जातः। तथा आसीत्, बहु आनन्दः प्राप्तः तत्र। that is how it started. तदनन्तरं तत्र तस्मिन्नेव समये अहं प्रवेशपरिचय शिक्षा कुविदा तत्सर्वं प्रवेशपरीक्षा कृते पञ्जीकरणं कृतवती। एव्री 6 months षाण्मासिकपरीक्षाः अपि लिखितवती। तस्मिन्नेव समये गीतासोपानकक्ष्यामपि अहं तत्रापि अनुमतिं प्राप्तवती, यतः तत्रापि सतीश महोदयः एव अहमेव पाठयामि इति उक्तवन्तः। ततः तत्र अपि तत् किमर्थं गीतासोपानं प्रति गतवती इत्युक्ते इट् वास् जस्ट् फार् दट् इकोसिस्टम्। संस्कृतवाङ्मये एव अस्मि चेत् इतोपि उत्साहः वर्धते इति एव अहं मन्ये। So it helps you to stay in touch with teachers and students like you. अतः संस्कृतवाङ्मयार्थमेव गीतासोपानं प्रति गतवती। गीतासोपानकक्षा अपि they were very enjoyable. प्रायशः सतीश महोदयः एव अधिकतया पाठितवान्। मध्ये प्रभाकर महोदय अपि नम्बूद्री महोदय अपि आगतवन्तौ। किन्तु अनफॉर्चुनेटली द्वितीय सोपानं प्रति एव अहं गतवती। तदनन्तरं MA कर्तुम् अहं इतोपि अग्रे पठनीयम् आग्रहो आसीत्। ततः MA अपि कर्तव्यम् इति KSU कर्णाटक संस्कृत विश्वविद्यालये MA आरब्धवती। तत्र तु कोविदां कृत्वा गच्छामश्चेत् तत्र अनुमतिं ते दीयन्ते, अनुमतिः दीयते। तत्र न्यायशास्त्रविभागे, न्यायवैशेषिकशास्त्रविभागे अहं MA कृतवती इत्युक्ते यथा सतीश महोदयः उक्तवान्, गतसप्ताहे एव परीक्षाः समाप्ताः। न्यायशास्त्रं किमर्थम् इति चेत् न्यायशास्त्रविषये मम इच्छा अस्ति इति किमपि न। अहं संस्कृते एव यत्किञ्चित् अपि पाठयतु, किन्तु संस्कृतेन एव पाठयतु इति उक्त्वा एव तत्र गतवती। तत्र सर्वे अपि उक्तवन्तः न्यायविभागे सम्पूर्णतया संस्कृतमाध्यमेन एव पाठयन्ति इति उक्तवन्तः। ततः तत्र अहं गतवती। वर्षद्वयं तु इदानीम् अभवत्, परीक्षाः अपि समापिताः। इदानीं मम तु व्याकरणविषये तस्य अपि सतीश महोदयस्य he is responsible for my व्याकरण इच्छा। सतीश महोदय एकवारं गीतासोपान प्रथमभागकक्षायां प्रकृतिप्रत्ययोः विभागः कथं भवति इति एकः पाठः कृतः। तस्मिन्नेव दिने अहं निर्णयं कृतवती पाणिनीयव्याकरणं सम्पूर्णतया ज्ञातव्यम् इति। He taught us in such a beautiful style. एतादृश प्रकृतिः धातुः अथवा प्रातिपदिकम्, एतादृशः प्रत्ययाः एते सर्वे सन्ति। These are all the intricacies. धातुः एतादृश प्रत्ययेन सह योज्यते, प्रातिपदिकम् एतादृशेन प्रत्ययेन सह योज्यते इत्यादि। He went to lot of details. तस्मिन्नेव दिने अहं निर्णयं कृतवती। अतः इदानीमपि सा इच्छा अस्ति मम मनसि, व्याकरणशास्त्रं सम्पूर्णतया अध्येतव्यम् इति। ततः अहं तु, मम आचार्यः अस्ति वेङ्कटरमण आचार्यः इति, सः इदानीं मां प्रतिदिनं कक्ष्यां स्वीकरोति। सिद्धान्तकौमुदी रीत्या, प्रक्रियारीत्या मां पाठयति व्याकरणशास्त्रम्। इदमेव अहं वक्तुम् इच्छामि। प्रायशः इच्छा पूर्वमेव आसीत्, किन्तु तस्य वाट् वास् अ स्माल् बीजम् इतिवत् यदा आसीत् इच्छा, people like Satish Mahodaya, Prabhakar Mahodaya, they watered it for me and they made me confident and they supported all through, and they are always there. Even now they are there. इदानीमपि अहं यदि सन्देहः अस्ति चेत् अहं दूरवाणीं कृत्वा प्रष्टुं मया शक्यते इति मम विश्वासः अस्ति। That is a big source of strength. अतः हल्सूर् भागस्य संस्कृतभारती विभागः एव it is a big reason why whatever little I have achieved, I have been able to achieve. इति एव वक्तव्यं. किन्तु किमपि न साधितं, मार्गे अस्मि इति एव वक्तव्यम्.
धन्यवादः पद्मा. परन्तु भवती एकं न उक्तवती. Many times I don't know anything and I share my ignorance. भवती यथा उक्तवती, भवत्याः पुत्रवपि मम एकं वाक्यं स्मरन्
अहं न जानामि. सतीश महोदयस्य his favorite वाक्यं, सतीश महोदयः अस्माकं गृहसमुच्चयेन अपार्ट्मेण्ट् द्विवारं सम्भाषणशिबिरं चालितवान्. तत्र मम पुत्रः पुत्री अपि तत्र आगतवन्तौ. इदानीमपि तौ they both say अहं न जानामि इति उक्तवन्तः सतीश महोदयः इति. यतः that is his first statement, अहं न जानामि इति. बहु जानाति किन्तु तथापि अहं न जानामि इति उक्त्वा एव सर्वं पाठयन्ति सर्वदा. So that is the favorite statement of Satish Mहोदय.
भगिनी तस्मिन् शिबिरे एव सतीश महोदय राक् स्टार् इति उपाधिं प्राप्तवान्.
एवमेव, पाषाणनक्षत्रम् इति
सत्यं सत्यं. सतीश महोदय इदानीमपि महोदय यथा भवतीं पाठितवान् इदानीमपि वर्गे तथैव पाठयन् अस्ति, सर्वान् प्रेरयन् अस्ति. अस्मिन् गणे अहं चिन्तयामि प्रायशः क्रमेण बहवः पद्माः उद्बन्धाः भवन्ति इति अहं चिन्तयामि.
धन्यवादः महोदय. अहम् इतोपि एकः विषयः वक्तुम् इष्टवती किन्तु विस्मृतवती. एकं कार्यं मया न कृतं, तत् कर्तव्यं, संस्कृतकार्यं न कृतं. यथा सतीश महोदयः करोति, प्रभाकर महोदयः करोति, उत्साहेन यावत् संस्कृतकार्यं करोति, ते आवर्षं संस्कृतविषये एव चिन्तयन्ति, न केवलं स्वस्य कृते किन्तु पाठनीयम्, अन्येषां कृते पाठनीयम् इति चिन्तनम् एव तेषां मनसि अस्ति. किन्तु मम तु तत्र I have made zero contribution to that. तदपि कर्तव्यं, वयं सर्वे संस्कृतकार्यमपि कर्तव्यम्, उत्साहेन कर्तव्यं, like how Prabhakar Mahodaya does and Satish Mahodaya does. Unfortunately, I have not made any contribution in that area. यथाशक्ति अग्रे भवति चेत् अहं कर्तुम् इच्छामि, कदा इति एव न जानामि. यतः इदानीं मम तु समयस्य अभावः एव. समयस्य अभावः इति सर्वेषाम् अस्ति. So we should overcome those excuses and try to do some संस्कृत कार्यम् इति.
सदैव स्वागतम्.
अहम् आगमिष्यामि महोदय. someday I will come, not very far away, किन्तु अहम् आगन्तुम् इच्छामि.
यावत् शीघ्रं आगच्छतु भगिनि कृपया.
कक्षाः आन्लैन् एव सद्यस्करीत्या. तर्हि तत्र रामकृष्णमठं गन्तव्यम् अथवा जीवनभीमानगर् पाठशालां गन्तव्यम् इति किमपि नास्ति. गृहे स्थित्वा
एव सत्यं.
सप्ताहे एकघण्टा अथवा घण्टाद्वयं कर्तुं शक्नोति चेत् उत्तमम्. अनन्तरम् इदानीं अहम् I did not specify one more thing, what she has contributed already. She was instrumental in running a Balakendram for almost 1 year. And she has, coached little tiny tots about 4 years, 5 years, 6 years.
Very difficult job.
And once I and Prabhakar Mahodaya, we went there to see, oh my goodness, you should see how those little children, they used to love Padma. And she, I mean, imparted, rather implanted a small this one seed of learning Sanskrit in those tiny tots. Uh, Unfortunately, she was not able to continue with it for some other reason. Now, if we have another program called Online Balakendra, if you are interested, please tell us. Prabhakar Mohdaya will arrange something. And that too online.
Definitely.
द्वे स्थित्वा एव कर्तुं शक्नोति भवती. तर्हि
बालकेन्द्रं तु बहु क्लिष्टकरं महोदय. You need lot of creativity.
अथवा सरला सुगमा भवती जानाति एव. अनन्तरं प्रवेश परीक्षा, प्रवेश परिचय शिक्षा कोविद, अनन्तरम् अथवा गीता सोपान प्रथमभागः, द्वितीयभागः. इदानीं भवती तु चतुर्थं भागमपि पाठयितुं शक्नोति.
न महोदय, अहं तु तृतीयभागस्य कक्षायाम् उपवेष्टुम् इच्छामि वस्तुतः. कक्षाम् अनागत्य परीक्षामपि दातुं न इच्छामि. तत् प्रथमं तथा सम्यक् रीत्या ज्ञात्वा निश्चयेन अहं पाठयिष्यामि. इदानीं मम सिद्धान्तकौमुदी कक्षा प्रतिदिनं प्रचलति. इतोपि प्रमाणशास्त्रविषये अपि अहम् अध्ययनं कुर्वन्ती अस्मि.
अहमपि वदामि, अहमपि वेदविज्ञान शोधसंस्था इति एका अस्ति. तत्र एका तिलक महोदय, सः सिद्धान्तकौमुदीं पाठयन् अस्ति. अहं तस्य कक्षाः अहम् ऑफलाइन पठामि, ऑनलाइन न पठामि. परन्तु अहं तत्र पञ्जीकृतवान् अस्मि. अनन्तरं भवती जानाति खलु तत् नीलेश महोदयस्य कृदन्तप्रकरणं. अहं तत्रापि एकः छात्रः अस्मि. प्रायः केषुचित् दिनेषु केभ्यश्चित् दिनेभ्यः पूर्वमेव अस्माकम् एका परीक्षा जाता. इदानीं विरामः अस्ति. नवेम्बर् मासस्य 5 दिनाङ्कात् पुनः कक्षा आरप्स्यते.
न समापितं वा तत् कृदन्तप्रकरणं?
मध्ये अस्मि. अनन्तरं तस्य पुनरागमनं अग्रे सः पाठयिष्यति तत्रापि. अनन्तरं तस्यापि साहाय्यम् अहं करोमि खलु. तत्र वेब्सैट् मध्ये भवती जानाति, अहं तत् वार्तिकप्रकरणं
पाठः किमपि
तस्य किमपि सः यत्किमपि वदति अहं तत् करोमि तावदेव साहाय्यम्. अनन्तरम् अत्रापि हल्सूर् भागस्य गीतासोपानं द्वितीयं भागं पाठयामि. गृहे स्थित्वा बहूनि कार्याणि कर्तुं
शक्नुवन्ति. सत्यं, तत् सत्यमेव. सः निश्चयः कर्तव्यः. अहं करिष्यामि इति निश्चयः कर्तव्यः, तावदेव.
अस्तु. So you are our role model. I am telling all my...
Oh, Satish Mahodaya, I am not anybody's role model. I am just a chhatra who met the right teachers. Tavadeva. I don't take credit for anything else.
Say that is your
I want to say something to all the people on this call.
Okay.
You people are really in the right place. The kind of teachers you are seeing here, you are unlikely to see outside. In terms of the fact that they are scholars themselves, but they can come down to our level and teach us. So I have not had such an experience with any other teachers, even outside of Samskrita Bharati. I know many teachers, but the way Alsur Vibhaga teachers can reach out to each and every one of us, very few people can do. So I will strongly recommend that you stick to Alsur Vibhaga, stick to all these teachers. They are really our Vangmayam. Even now, as I said, till today, I feel that I have the liberty to ask any of them any favor or if I have any doubt. So that way, they are always there for us and they are always happy to help. And they are all the time thinking in terms of Samskrita Karyam, which is another selfless nature in them which comes out. So I would strongly recommend that all of you, including me as another student, we all stay together and partner with them. Then we can go really ahead.
धन्यवाद भगिनी. On behalf of Sanskrit Bharati, Halsur, I thank you immensely for having a faith on Sanskrit Bharati also. And patanam tu Sanskrit bhasham kadapi na samapyate.
एवं सत्यं महोदय कदापि न
खलु
समाप्यते
अतः पठनं पाठनं युगपद् भवेत् इति मम चिन्तनम्
भवेत् इति
अतः कृपया यदा कदा समयः लभ्यते कृपया अत्र आगत्य पाठयतु। अनन्तरं यदा
निश्चयेन अहं
सतीश महोदय
करिष्यामि
उक्तवान् बहवः मार्गाः सन्ति अस्माकं भागे सदस्यरीत्या वयं पाठयन्तः स्मः। कृपया आगच्छतु यदा शक्यते कृपया।
निश्चयेन महोदय धन्यवादः
तावदेव। अस्तु धन्यवादः धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः सतीश महोदय
धन्यवादः भगिनी।
अहं विरमामि।
इदानीं भवती यदि कक्षायां स्थातुम् इच्छति चेत् तिष्ठतु तत्र।
ध्यानश्लोकः अभवत् वा?
हा, अहं भवत्याः एव प्रतीक्षां कुर्वन् आसम्, परन्तु
मम
विलम्बः जातः इत्युक्ते अहं
अभवत् वा?
मेधा भगिनी अस्ति, सा उक्तवती।
अस्तु चिन्ता नास्ति, अहम् इतोपि एकवारम् आगमिष्यामि। भवतां सूचयित्वा अहम् आगमिष्यामि, यतः ध्यानश्लोकं श्रोतुम् अहम् इष्टवती, ततः चिन्ता नास्ति। अहं तु इदानीं विरमामि, अनन्तरम् आगमिष्यामि।
अस्तु, कक्षायान्तपर्यन्तं स्थातुम् इच्छति चेत् तिष्ठतु, चिन्ता मास्तु।
अस्तु अस्तु, अहं 10 निमेषानन्तरं निर्गच्छामि।
अस्तु, धन्यवादः। इदानीं कक्षायाः कृते अस्तु, ओके। So come back to our topic, what I was discussing. I will start sharing the screen now. See, I was telling that बहवः जना न जानन्ति कुत्र अनुस्वारः लेखनीयः, कुत्र मकारः लेखनीयः, कुत्र किं विभक्तीनाम् अर्थः अपि प्रायः सर्वे न जानन्ति, कुत्र का विभक्ति प्रयोक्तव्या न जानन्ति बहवः। अनन्तरम् अहं यत् दृष्टवान् भवताम् उत्तरपत्रिकासु, तद् यत्र द्वितीया विभक्ति प्रयोक्तव्या तत्र प्रायः बहवः जनाः प्रथमा विभक्तिमेव उपयुज्यन्ते। अनन्तरं लिङ्गं, this is a problem with most of people, don't know which lingam to use where. So only answer is increase your vocabulary. Try to open the dictionary, either printed one or online. I have given umpteen number of times, I have given the link for the online dictionary. It seems nobody tries to open that. That is it. Because of corona you can't buy, I know. Either you can order online and buy the dictionary. There are many dictionaries. Padma will share her experience. Then vibhakta padam, this is a major problem. I mean, all these are major problems only. Then visheshan vishesha bhava, that we have discussed in the class. Kriya padam, lakaraha purushaha vachanam and all that. And then pradeshik bhasha prabhavaha. Then now what, after listening, I mean seeing these problems, I have come out with some solutions for you purpose. I mean, it is not given anywhere. This is my own what you say analysis of all your answer sheets, and that too only question number 2, where you have to construct your own sentences. Unless you are able to construct your own sentences, you will not be able to progress any further. Okay, so this is samanya niyamaha. Okay, first is anuswarasya niyamaha. Anuswara kada half makara, that makara lekhniya athva kadva anuswara lekhniya. I mean, these are the rules based on the Paninian grammar. I have not invented anything. I'm just, and that too, there may be some more points I could not this one. So the first one is वाक्यस्य अन्ते विद्यमानस्य अनुस्वारस्य मकारः लेखनीयः. At the end of the word, now I think I should give you an example. Okay, at the end of this one, suppose you want to say samaptam. If you say like this and put a full stop, this is wrong. Okay, at the end of the sentence, not word, it should be half makar. But if the same thing is in the sentence, what happens? After this makara, suppose there is any other letter which is say swara. Okay. After makara, there is a swara. So this makara can stay as it is. But if there is a vyanjanam after this makara, then per force you should change this to something like that. Okay. Samaptam, something like that. After makara, if there is a vyanjanam, the makara should change to anuswara. Okay, these are the two main rules. So padasya anantaram vidyamanasya padasya आरंभे यदि स्वरः अस्ति तदा एव पदस्यान्ते मकारः लेखनीयः. पदस्य अनन्तरं विद्यमानस्य पदस्य, now pada, we will come to that, what is pada and all that. पदस्य अनन्तरं विद्यमानस्य पदस्य आरंभे स्वरः नास्ति तदा पदस्य अन्ते this one. Okay. I will share the entire file with you, I mean by WhatsApp. Then padasya madhye, I mean inside the word, okay, if there is a anuswara inside that, and then after that if there is a vargiya varna, then anantara varnasya panchama savarnah lekhaniya iti. I will show you that also. Say example Punjab. Okay, this is a common way people write in Hindi. Okay, but here this is a word. Inside the word there is an anuswar. So this anuswar should change to savarna anunasik of the next one. So that is ja comes in the cha varga. So cha, cha, ja, ja, ya. So this anuswar should change to this Punjab. Okay. Similarly, Ganga. Oh, sorry. Right. Here the anuswara is there inside the word. So you have to say Ganga. Okay. Now I want to write one sentence. I want to invite somebody to Ganga. So Gangam agacchatu. So how to write? So Gangam agacchatu. Okay. Now what is wrong here? First is anuswara inside the word should change to the savarna of, I mean, in the same row, that group. The next word is ga, so it is in ga varna, ka, ka varga, so ka, ka, ga, gha, nga. So ganga. Now the next one, the next anuswara is at the end of the word, and after that there is a swara. Okay, so this this should become makara. So Gangam agachatu. Now I want to say Gangam gachatu. Now see here, this makara is followed by a vyanjanam. So I will change it to anuswara. This is very simple. Now, how to identify where is the end of the sentence and where is the end of the word? So very simple. At the end of the sentence, there should be a danda. That is this one, or any what do you say, punctuation mark. Okay. So padanam niyamaha. May this one is your vocabulary. Okay. Shabda sangraha. What is the word to be used, its spelling and gender. Okay, that is very important. Then, as I said, the end of the sentence is identified by the purna viram chinnam, that danda. Okay, vertical stick. Or if you open any old literature, you will find only this punctuation mark, no other punctuation marks. Of late, people have adopted question mark, this one, what is a inverted commas, or this one, as I mean, if you open Sambhashan Sandesh Patrika, you'll find all kinds of punctuation marks adopted from English. But in old Sanskrit, only you will find this. Okay. So I leave it to you. You use either old style or new style, doesn't matter. But at the end of the sentence, something either full stop, that is vertical stick, or question mark, or something else should be there. That is the end of the sentence. There, if the anuswara is there, it should be changed to makara. How to identify padam? So padam is identified by end of the word is by a space, what you call blank space. So wherever there is a blank space, that is the end of the word. That word should have, okay, if avyaya is, that word is avyayam, then don't bother about it. Write it as it is. But if the word is in kriya padam or namapadam, then it should have either vibhakti pratyaya or lakar pratyaya. अव्यय विहाय प्रत्येकस्य पदस्य अन्ते विभक्ति प्रत्यय अथवा लकार प्रत्यय आवश्यकः. We will examine whatever you people have written. I have reproduced that. Okay. Then sankhya तथा पूर्ण प्रत्ययान्त शब्द, that we have learned already. Now this is vibhakta padam तथा samasta padam. What happens is, I will show you the examples. I mean, I have picked up all the examples from your own answer sheets, nothing from outside. यदि समस्त पदम विभज्य लिख्यते चेत उभयोः पदयोः उचितौ विभक्तौ प्रत्ययौ आवश्यकौ, विभक्ति प्रत्ययौ आवश्यकौ. We have done this many times in that Vishesha and Vishesha Bhavaha, but still people make mistakes. We will see how they make. Okay. Then, if that those two split words have the Vishesha and Vishesha Bhava, then they should have same vibhakti and vachan pratyaya. Okay, this is there. Then vakya niyamaha. एकस्मिन् वाक्ये एकमेव क्रियापदम् आवश्यकम्. Either kriya padam can be in the lakar form or in the kriyarthi krudantam, like gatavan or drishtavan athva drishtaha gataha, like that. Then vakye vidyamanasya pratyekasya padasya क्रियया सह संबंधः अन्यैः पदैः सह संबंधः तथा तेषां कारकाणि. Okay, this karakani I should have written. That is my spelling mistake. Here people make mistakes. Then कर्तु तथा कर्मस्य क्रियापदेन सह पुरुषवचन संबंधः. There also, I mean, some problems I noticed. Then यदि केषाञ्चन पदानां मध्ये विशेषण विशेष्य भावः अस्ति तर्हि तेषां सर्वेषां लिङ्गवचन विभक्तयः समानाः स्युः अथवा भवेयुः. द्वितीया विभक्ति स्थाने प्रथमा विभक्ति न प्रयोक्तव्या. दिस इज अ कॉमन मिस्टेक पीपल डू. वाक्यान्ते विरामचिह्नम् आवश्यकम्. वाक्य विरामचिह्नम्. अन्ये केचन अंशाः मया दृष्टाः. तत्र स श श्र उपयोगः. People confused between these three letters. We will discuss that. Then alpaprana mahaprana antaram. Then because as I said pradeshik bhashanam prabhava ba va tata pa bhedaha sa ta. Some people use it interchangeably without understanding. Na na. Somebody asked na whether I write na or na, how to do that. So these are the things that I found out. There are common problems, okay, here, and these are observed in your own answer sheets. If I observe something else, I will come out with that also in future. So we should know about when to put anuswara, when to put makara, okay, and these are the things. Now I will come to the whatever you have written here. What I have done is पद्मा अस्ति वा? पद्मा भवती अस्ति खलु?
अस्मि महोदय.
Now what the question was, I gave 4 this one sarvanam. Idam pullinga, idam strilingam, anantaram adas pullinga, adas strilingam. Teshu ekam chitva तस्य सर्वासु विभक्तिषु एकवचने पदानि प्रयुज्य वाक्यानि स्ववाक्यानि लिखन्तु इति प्रश्नः आसीत्. तत्र प्रत्येकस्य विभक्तेः कृते छात्रैः किं किं लिखितम् एतत् मया अत्र I have typed all these answers myself. Now there may be some errors on my side. Please forgive me. Please point out whether I am right or wrong.
Idam padam tu it's confusing.
Huh?
It may be little confusing, I think.
That is what. Okay. So now I am acharya asti. This, what I have done is, if in the third column here I relax all the rules, then I found all the sentences are correct. Okay. Except number 7. I don't know who has written just yam. As I said, in the sentence there should be at least one verb. It may be adhyarudam, but yam, what yam? So this is not a sentence at all. All others are correct. But if I start applying all the rules, then there is only one, yes, 2. Yam gruhini asti, anandaram ayam acharyah asti. These are the only 2 sentences which are correct, applying all the grammar rules. Okay. Ayam balakaha mama putra. This is also one. And yam gruhini. Now we will discuss what are the problems. Okay. So now ayam acharyas, this is correct. Iyam mama putri. Here, as I said, if the makara is at the end of the word, it should go in the anuswar. That is wrong. Ayam ekaha sundaraha balakaha asti. Okay. Here the second rule. If the anuswara is at the end and it is followed by a swara, it should, that makara should come here. Ayam, like this. Okay. Ayam chhatraha, again here, end of the word is makara is followed by vyanjanam, it should go as an anuswar. Same thing here. Okay. Ayam balakaha mama putra, very good. This is nice sentence. I mean, correct in all respects. Iyam, there is no sentence. Now here, ayam balakaha dashami kakshayam patati. What is wrong here? Can somebody say?
Visheshana Dashami should also be in Shashti Bahuvati.
Saptami, actually. Saptami.
Saptami.
Why? Because in normally, I mean, I don't know in other languages, I'll try to convert in Hindi. ये लड़का 10वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता है. So there in 10वीं and kaksha, there is no joining, is a gap. If you write 10वीं gap, then kaksha में, problem solved. Okay. I mean, nobody said this is grammatically wrong. Here, dashami and kakshayam, there are two different words because they are separated by a gap. So each word should have its own vibhakti pratyaya. So here, if I take that, dashami is okay. It is prathama vibhakti, ekvachan, like nadi. Nadi, nadyau, nadyah, dashami, dashamyau, dashamyah. Kakshayam. This is a saptami vibhakti, ekvachan. Now, because this is prathama vibhakti ekvachan, here saptami vibhakti ekvachan, they are not in visheshan visheshya bhava. So the correct sentence would have been dashamyam kakshayam, or you join the word like this, dashami kakshayam. Then it becomes one word. Dashami kaksha itself becomes one word. Then you apply the vibhakti pratyaya at end, not in the inside the word. That is all right. But dashami gap kakshayam patati is a wrong sentence. Okay. I don't know who has written. I had jumbled up all this. I mean, I had typed all the answers and then jumbled up without the identification of the author. So this is wrong. Then here again, idam mama gita sopana dvitiya pustakam. Okay. Here there are many, this one. First, this makara is followed by ma letter. So there is a vyanjan. So this should go as an anuswar. Then, okay, mama gita sopan dvitiya, okay. Pustaka, idam and pustakaha. Idam is napusakalingi prathama ekvajan. Pustakaha is looks like. It is since person has given visarga, it is looks like pullingi shabda, but pustakam is a napusakalingi shabda. So what should have been there is idam mama gita sopanu pustakam and not pustakaha. Ayam gita sopan ditya kakshaya chhatraha. Now kakshaya is not a word, it should be followed by visarga to give the shashti vibhakti pratyaya. Kakshayaha, like this. Kakshaya chhatra, no, I mean, wrong, all of this one. Then iyam mama amba. Okay, what is wrong here? Amba, can anybody say? Padma bhavati vaktum shaknoti va? Amba, iyam mama amba.
अम्बा इति सम्बोधना खलु अम्बा इत्येव वक्तव्यम्.
Amba is a sambodhana, this one. Here I will tell you what is the Pradeshik Bhasha Prabhava. Okay. In this one, I know about Kannada only. At the end of the word, if I is there, in Kannada, like what I say, which word I should say. Okay, Padma itself I'll write. If I write like this Padma in Kannada script, people will pronounce as Padma. Okay. So if somebody has written Amba, he or she, I don't know who wrote. So at the back of their mind, they are reading it Amba. Okay. But in Sanskrit, there are two different words. The Amba, what the person who wrote this wanted to say, Iyam Mama Amba is like this. And same word in the Sambodhan is Amba, Jai Jagadamba. So this is Amba in Sambodhan Vibhakti. Okay. Then Iyam Guruini Asti, all words are correct. I mean, sentence is correct. Ayam Krishnaha Asti. Here again, Makara is followed by Vyanjanam, so it should go as a Anuswar. Ayam Balakaha. There are two mistakes here. Makara should go as Anuswar because it is followed by Vyanjanam. And there is no full stop. How do I know the sentence has ended? Okay. Now, next, this is all Prathama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti is highly confusing. There is not a single this one. Okay. There are so many mistakes. We will discuss. Imam.
Mahodaya, Kshamyatam.
Huh.
I need to leave now. Is it okay?
Astu, no problem. Huh?
Astu. Dhanyavadah.
No, एक क्षणं.
Ha.
स्क्रीन् शेर् स्टाप् करोमि. भवती यदा कदा आगन्तुम् इच्छति शक्नोति च तदा अत्र आगच्छतु. सूत्रं दट् इस् लिङ्क् तदेव भवति. यदा कदा भवती आगन्तुं शक्नोति तदा आगच्छतु. छात्रान् सम्बोधयतु.
अस्तु महोदय, धन्यवादः.
इति अस्माकं निवेदनं. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः. धन्यवादः.
Okay, now
प्रणमामि.
Namaste, namaste. Tell Radhika and Siddharth my blessings. Okay. Right. Okay. Now we'll come here. Imam Ramasya Bhrata. There is no word here. Okay. Either it is Ayam Ramasya Idam Shabdasya Pulling Bhrata is a Pullingi Shabda. So it should be Ayam Ramasya Bhrata. That is in Prathama Vibhakti. I don't know what is the sentence the person wanted to write. I can't make out anything. So because this is Dvitiya Vibhakti. In Dvitiya Vibhakti, the meaning of Dvitiya Vibhakti, understand, I don't know where I kept that. I will try to open this one. Vibhakti Pratyaya, I don't know where I have. No, I think no. Leave it. I think long back I gave you one sentence, long sentence. Sumantaha Ramam Rathena Vanavasaya Nagarad Gosya Samipe Nitavan. Why don't you remember all that? Dvitiya Vibhakti means something on which some action is happening. Okay, like aham phalam khadami, so that phalam is the one on which the action is taking place. So that here Dvitiya Vibhakti, here I can't make out what is the meaning of. Then Imam Vivaham Abhavat, that is, to this girl marriage has happened. But in normal Sanskrit, this should be in Shashti Vibhakti. For the girl, I mean, the marriage of this girl has taken place. So it is Asyaha Vivaha, and that is another one. As I said, Vivaha is a Pullingi Shabda. Okay, Vivaha Abhavat. I don't know. Then Sarve Imam Prashamsam Kurvanti. What is this? Imam Prashamsa. Prashamsam Kurvanti. This is okay. Sarve Prashamsam Kurvanti. Prashamsa is the one which is happen. I mean, they are doing. So that is a karma. So that is Dvitiya Vibhakti, no problem. But Imam is to him. I don't know. This is Asya Prashamsam Kurvanti, yes. Then Imam Vidyalayam Gachati, again same thing. Imam Ramasya Bhrata, Imam Vidyalayam Gachati, wrong. Imam Gruham Gachati, Imam Balakam Chaturaha. Here Balaka is a Pullingi Shabda, Chatura is, I mean, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Then why not Chaturam, Imam Balakam Chaturam? I don't know. I mean, I'm not able to make out what the person wants to convey. Secondly, Imam. Some person has written only the Vibhakti, all the 7 Vibhaktis of that Sarvanam without entering any sentence. That is wrong. You have to write a sentence. Then Prathama Puraskara Imam Balakaha Militavan. Okay. Now, this is another thing. I mean, there are so many things I want to discuss about this. Militavan is, Miladhatu is to meet and not to get or achieve or receive. हिंदी इन हिंदी विषय इसको प्रथम पहला पुरस्कार मिला है, लेकिन हिंदी में मिलता है, संस्कृत में प्राप्त होता है, या आई डोंट नो व्हाट, ओके, हिंदी में मिलता है, इन संस्कृत मिलती इज टू मीट. हम मित्रम मिलामी, सहा मित्रम मिलति, बट बालकः मिलितवान is I mean wrong here. Balakah mitram militavan, yes, the boy met his friend, mitram militavan, but puraskaraha, okay, here again no vibhakti, prathama, puraskara. If you look up the tables, Puraskara is a Sambodhan Vibhakti, like Hey Rama. So Puraskara, no Visarga, nothing. I can't make out which Vibhakti. Then Imam Mama Saha Dhyayin Asti. Again, Imam is wrong. It should be Ayam. But you want to say Dvitiya Vibhakti. Second is Saha Dhyayin. In Prathama Vibhakti, Ekvachan, the Nakara will go. Eshaha mama sahadhyayi asti, yes. Okay. And if you want to say sahadhyayin, it should be this one, rasva e. That is a pratipadikam. But if you want to make prathama vibhakti ekvachan, it should be sahadhyayi, dirgha, and sahadhyayi. But not this. I don't know who has written, okay. Imam Gite iti avayatu, okay. This is, I mean, I don't know why I wrote this. This is a correct sentence. Imam Gita, that is inverted comma, call her as Gita. So here, Imam Avayatu, this is the correct sentence for Dvitiya Vibhakti. To her or to this lady, इस लड़की को गीते इति उसको बुलाइए. Then aham krishnam jalam dadami imam santosham bhavati. I'll discard this sentence because it has no meaning here. Imam santesham bhavati. I don't know. Dvitiya can't say Dvitiya vibhakti kaha artha. Then imam balakam. Again Dvitiya vibhakti. No, this one. Now let us come to Tritiya vibhakti. Here anena putrena sah gacchati. On the face of it, the sentence is correct, but here the only mistake is anena putrena sah gacchati. I go with this boy, or yes. But nakara, we will come to that where to apply nakara and where to change to nakara. Anayasah patihi shurakaha cha vasanti. The person wanted to say with this girl, her husband and father-in-law Shveshurakaha, they live. But Vasanti is a Bahuvachan. And how many people are staying? Only two, husband and father-in-law. I mean, there may be others, but not in the sentence. So Vasanti is Bahuvachan, not correct. Okay. Saha anena kargadasya sahayana. Kargad, of course, is a good word. It has been accepted for paper. Anena kargadasya sahayena mahanauka kritavan. Here, mahanauka is the karma. So it should be mahanaukam kritavan. Not here, that is what I say now. That where you want to use Dvitiya Vibhakti, you will use Prathama Vibhakti always. That is wrong. Putraha anena saha kridankanam gacchati. Okay. Now here is this, as I said, spelling and maybe the Pradeshik Bhasha Prabhava. What the person wants to say is kridanganam. Okay. Ane putraha anena saha kridanganam gacchati. It should be this one. Ga. No. And sorry. Kridanganam. Okay. So there is spelling mistake because your vocabulary doesn't. You should have this knowledge of spelling also. So, but I'll keep it as it is. Kridankanam. Anena mitram kridati. Anena mitram krida or anena saha mitram kridati. I don't know. And there is no full stop. Okay. Anena balakena saha aham kridami. Okay. This is one sentence I found correct. Anaya. What is that anaya? No sentence at all. Okay. Now Arjuna anayana ishuna shatrum maritavan. This is the correct sentence in all respects. Anena Gita sopayanena sah sanskritam vyakaranam pathamaha. Okay. Anena Gita sopayanena sah sanskritam vyakaran pathamaha. I could not make out any this one. I mean, at least my understanding will not be there. Maybe person wanted to say that we are reading Sanskrit grammar with the help of this book. Anena Gita sopayanena sah Sanskrit Vyakaranam Pathamaha. I mean, looks to be okay, but I just wanted to make this one. So, okay. Take it as correct sentence. Anaya saha putraha gacchati. Good sentence. Aham hastena likami ataha anena kashtam bhavati. Good sentence. I mean, no need of this first sentence. Just anena kashtam bhavati. Tavadeva. Uttamam. Anena balakena. What agre? Nothing. So this is about Chaturthi Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti. Let us come to Chaturthi Vibhakti. Asmai Acharyaya Phalani Yachanti. Okay. Now here, though the sentence looks okay, that somebody, I don't know, the karta is missing. Some people, that is blank. they offer fruits to this guru. But here karta should be there. Who give? Ke yachanti. Asya shunakaha baha rochante. It should have been bahu rochante. Okay. There is a writing mistake. Ukara missing. Then adhyapakaha asmai puraskaraha dattavan. Okay. Here again it is wrong. I mean, I should have written wrong this. Puraskaram dattavan. Because puraskara is the karma, object, what was given. So it should have been puraskaram. It is written as puraskara. The sentence is wrong in the vibhakti. Janani asmai vikshukaya bhojanam dadati. All correct. Asmai chakalayam anayati. Okay. Now kaha anayati na janami. That karma should be there. Full stop should be there. And another chakalayam. Now this is the word used for chocolate in Sanskrit, now accepted by Sanskrit Bharati. But the word is not chakalaya. It is chakaleha. Okay. So that is a vocabulary problem. And if you want to say something like this, anayati, kaha anayati, karta ka. Okay. And there is no full stop. Asmai balakaya madhuram dadatu. So this is a correct sentence. Asyai, nothing. This is a very long sentence, but there are many. October masasya, here it should have been one word. There cannot be an October independent of masa. As I said, don't split the word with a gap if it does not have any vibhakti pratyaya. Just by writing October, where is the vibhakti pratyaya? If you don't have vibhakti pratyaya, join with the next word. October masasya. Then ek dinanke is not ek, is ekasmin. Okay. And actually it is not ek dinanke. Even if I say ekasmin, it is just one date, not the first date. So first day should be prathame dinanke. Then asmai. Okay. Gandhi Varye Murte. I don't know what is the meaning of this. Okay. No proper vibhakti. I can't make out what is the meaning of this. Namaskaram Kritavati. Okay. Here again, Makara is, it should go as Anuswar because afterwards there is a Vyanjanam. And if you want to say to the Murti, it should be Chaturthi Vibhakti. Okay. Chaturthi Vibhakti is okay. Murtyai. Okay. And Gandhi Varyasya, not Gandhi Varye. Gandhi Varye Murte can't make out anything because this is Chaturthi Vibhakti table. It should be Murtyai and Gandhi Varyasya, the statue of Gandhi. Then Asmai Adya Lagu Pariksha Likitavantaha. Asmai means to this boy. Adya Lagu Pariksha Likitavantaha. Likitavanta is plural, and I mean it is wrong here. Likitavanta, ke likitavanta, ete sarve likitavanta. That karta will be in prathama vibhakti. Asma is in chaturthi vibhakti. This is a wrong sentence. Asyai pushpam dadati. Okay, appears to be, but karta kaha? Kaha dadati? Either you said dadatu, then whosoever reads this should give the flower to this girl. But dadati should always carry the karta. Asmai devaya namaha. Okay. Asmai balakaya. Can't make out anything. Then panchami vibhakti. अस्मात् आचार्यात् विविधा विद्याः प्राप्नुवन्ति. के प्राप्नुवन्ति? नो कर्ता. अस्याः प्राणिनः भयं नास्ति. Okay, looks like sentence is good, pancham vibhakti, but here praninah. Okay, or yeah, then mitrah swaswa karyam kartum asmat sahayam svikritavantah. Okay, looks like okay, but swaswa cannot stand alone. स्वकार्यम कर्तुम, in Hindi it is okay, अपना अपना काम करने के लिए, but in Sanskrit there is no word swa stand alone, should be स्वकार्यम कर्तुम. मित्राः स्वकार्यं कर्तुम् अस्मात् सहायं स्वीकृतवन्तः, but this is wrong. अस्मात् वृक्षात् फलं पतति, okay. अस्मात् पुस्तकं प्राप्तं, no full stop. How do I know the sentence has ended? Looks like, I mean, okay, but without full stop, that doesn't make any sense. Asmat balakam kandukam svikorotu, very good. Asyaha, here, first of all, no sentence, and even this is wrong. Asyaha is the correct word, not asyaha. Asmat balakat ramam vijeta. I don't know what is the meaning. First of all, that makara should go as anuswar. Vijeta asti. Asmat balakat. Now, Panchami Vibhakti, as I want to emphasize, when there is a comparison or a separation, only these two. Okay. So here you can say comparison, that you are comparing these two boys. One is Rama, other is this one. So either you say Asmat Balaga Ramaha Vijetaha. Ramam is wrong. Ramaha Vijeta. Ramaha won over this boy or this one. But separation is more appropriate. Okay. I don't know. Then Asmat Gita Sopanat Halanta Shabda Tata Visheshan Visheshya Bhava Shiksha Prapnuvantaha. First of all, Ke Prapnuvantaha na janami. Asmat Gita Halanta Shabdaha. Actually, if you want to say Vayam, वयम अस्मात् गीता सोपानात् हलन्त शब्देन हलन्त शब्दः प्राप्तुवन्त इत्यस्य कर्म भवति. तर्हि हलन्त शब्दान् प्राप्तुवन्तः, not हलन्त शब्दाः. So wherever you want to use द्वितीया, you are use prathama. That is my first this one. Then visheshya visheshana visheshya bhavat shiksha, no, I mean विशेषण विशेष्य भावस्य शिक्षां प्राप्नुवन्तः, that is more correct. अस्याः मम अनुजा बिभ्यति, this is correct sentence. My sister is afraid of her or this girl. अस्मात् वृक्षात् फलानि पतितानि, good sentence. Then here something I don't know, I'm not written. Then षष्ठी विभक्ति. अस्य बालस्य नाम आनंद अस्ति. No wall, okay. It should be bal, okay. And then naam anandaha. In Hindi or in other language we can say ananda is the name, but in Sanskrit it should be followed by prathama vibhakti ekvachan pratyaya visarga anandaha. Asya balasya nama anandaha asti. अस्याः कर्मणः श्रद्धा अस्ति. कर्मणः श्रद्धा अस्ति इत्युक्ते she has faith or devotion of the karma. I don't know. Karmani is my preference. कर्मणः श्रद्धा न कर्मणि भवेत्. पठनकार्ये अपि अस्य अङ्काः बहु उत्तमाः सन्ति. Okay. Now looks like okay, but what is wrong here? Okay. Patana karye. Here you can't say patana karye. It has to be patana karye together. Otherwise, patana, there is a gap. So what is the vibhakti pratyaya? He patana, he patanam, he patane, he patanani. No. So moment you give a gap, you should think which is the vibhakti pratyaya. Without that, sentence will be wrong. Okay. In Hindi or any other regional language, if you give gap, it is accepted. And in Hindi, I mean, that is a Hindi grammar. The vibhakti pratyaya is written not adjunct to the word, but afterwards. Like I will show you here. Okay, Padma, this is the one. Padma ko bulaiye. No, this is wrong in Hindi. This is correct. But in Sanskrit, vibhakti pratyaya cannot be separated. So, same thing here. Vibhakti pratyaya has to be there, right? Asya Ramasya putraha lava sentence is okay. Asya anujaha nama ramaha no. Asya anujasya nama ramaha and full stop. Now, if you make anujaha ramaha, asya anujaha nama ramaha, this is correct in one way, in the sense if you want to say, oh, his younger brother is nothing but Rama. Okay. No, I mean, Anujasya, his younger brother's name is Rama, so Asya Anujasya Nama. Okay. Asya Balakasya Lekha Sundaram Asti. Now, Lekha is a Strilingi Shabda meaning accounts. Okay. So, if you want to say he is keeping good accounts of whatever he is, then Asya Balakasya Lekha Sundari Asti. Otherwise, I think what person wanted to say is the writing. Then it is not lekha, it is lekhanam. Okay. So this is the one wrong sentence. Asyaha again the same thing. No sentence and this spelling is wrong. Asya balakasya mata shikshika asti. Good sentence. Asya abhyas vargaha Sanskrit bharatya sanchalitaha. Now how many mistakes are there? Let us see. Abhyas vargaha is ekavachanam. Sanchalitaha is bahuvachan. So that is Visheshan Vishesha Bhava. Then Samskrita Bharatya, there are two different words and no Vibhakti Pratyaya in between. So it is wrong. It should be Samskrita Bharatya, one word. Whenever you want to give gap, please think should be separate, ending with Vibhakti Pratyaya. Okay. So actually the person wanted to say Asya Abhyas Vargasya Sanchalanam Samskrita Bharatya Krita Asti. Or Kritam Asti, Sanchalanam. Asya abhyas vargasya. Okay, or I don't know. That is my this one, point. You see what are the verb here. Sanchalita, this to krudanta, I take it as a verb, organized or operated. Now think of what are the sambandha for each word with the verb. then you'll, or among themselves, if what is vibhakti pratyay should be. Okay, asyaha vadanam manoharam asti, good sentence. Asya krishnasya varnam krishnam asti. What is wrong here? The thing is, varna is a pullingi shabda. So, wherever you want to use napusakalingam, you use napusakalingam. Wherever you want to use pullinga, you use pullinga. So, that is wrong. Asya krishnasya varnaha krishnaha asti. That is the correct sentence. Asya balakasya, no sentence at all. Then saptami vibhakti. Asmin vale, same thing, bale. Vahavaha bahavaha. Sadgunaha santi. Asyam mama vishwasa asti. Good sentence. Asmin gruhe sarve santoshaha asti. Okay. Now here, if you want to say sarve, then it should be santi or bhavanti. Or if you want to say asti, then it should be sarvaha. Each one of it cannot be. So the verb and the karta should match vachan. Then this is the one santoshaha. Here your vocabulary, this is not sh, it is shakara. Santoshaha. But again then either you should say santushtaha or santoshena santi. Santushta will be the visheshan of sarve. Santosha, there is no this one. One is this word is wrong and it cannot form a visheshan of sarve. Okay. Asmin nagare bahuni vahanani santi. Good sentence. Asmin vishwasam asti. Again here, as I said, wherever you want to use lingam, you use napusakalingam. I mean, I don't know. Vishwasa is a pullingi shabda. Why don't you open the dictionary? Please, all the dictionaries give the gender. Asmin balake uttamaha gunaha asti. This is a correct sentence. Asyam, no sentence at all. Asmin mai gruhe shashtaha janaha vasanti. Okay. Asmin gruhe shashtaha janaha vasanti is okay. Mai gruhe, mai is happens to be this one. Asmin and mai, if they go together, is wrong. Asmin mama gruhe shashtaha janaha vasanti. In my, in this house, shashta, or in my home, if you want to say mama gruhe, not mai. Jana asmin deshe vividaha bhasha vadanti. Good sentence. Asmin abhyas varga. Again, abhyas and varga cannot be separated. Okay. So, asmin abhyasasya varge or abhyasa varge. Vinshati tamaha chhatra. This is wrong. This tama pratyaya is for the purana pratyaya. 20th. On the 20th of December, I will go home. Like that, 20th is Vinchati Tamaha. And if you want to say Vinchati Tamaha Chhatra, I mean, this is Ekvachanam. So, Vinchati Tamaha Chhatra, the 20th student, only Abdya Gita Sopanasya Adhyanam Karoti, then it is okay. अस्मिन् अभ्यासवर्गे विंशतितमः छात्रः एव गीतासोपानस्य अध्ययनं करोति. In this class, only the 20th CL number or the roll number student does the Gita, the study. Then, but अस्मिन् गीता अभ्यासवर्गे should be one word. विंशतितमः छात्रः, okay. अस्यां सर्वे प्रशंसां कुर्वन्ति. Actually, this is translated from English. On this girl, everybody showers the praises, okay, or accolades. So that is how Saptami Vibhakti has been used. But actually, if you want to say Prashamsam, then it should be Asyaha, of this girl, all the people, I mean, they do prashansa. Saptami Vibhakti is wrong usage here, nothing else. Otherwise, if you leave that part, sentence is correct. Asmin kshetre mahayuddham abhavat. Okay. Asmin balake kimapi nast. Okay. So these are the sentences that I found wrong, and so I shall be sharing this Samanya Niyama with all you people. Okay. These are Samanya Doshaha, what I observed only for the answers of second question among you people. And I want to compliment two people. And now I'll stop sharing. I want to compliment two people. They have written all their Vibhakti sentences are correct without any single mistake. One is Mr. Krishna Kumar, other is Jyoti. And Jyoti was almost, she was almost competing with Krishna Kumar. Only in the last two sentences she lost few marks and she came to the second position. Otherwise, both are very good. I mean, excellent students. Keep it up, both of you. Okay.
ధన్యవాదం.
Jyoti also, her sentences are really good. I mean, I should reproduce here, but I have not. I didn't type them. Otherwise, I could have shared this one. Okay, good. The composition is good for both of them. Okay. So this is my analysis of Ariel's this one, and I withdraw my dictate that please write few sentences on Bharata Desha and all that. Unless you people improve in your composition, please don't send it to me. Whatever people have sent, I will correct and send it back. It is a huge task unless you apply your mind, and I might have missed some of the rules while enumerating here. These are few things which I observed while going through your papers. So kindly try to correct. I mean, your own sentences, whatever you are given to me in the exam, try to rectify and see. I mean, apply all these rules that I'll be sharing now. I'll be sending this file to you. Try to apply each and every criteria with this. And another thing, try to make small sentences. Why do you want to make big sentences? Okay. I mean, we are like toddlers in Sanskrit. Take small steps. Don't try to run at this stage. Try to, the child should learn to walk first or stand with firm balance. Take 1 or 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, then slowly walk, then try to run, and then try to win the rest. That is a separate thing. Right now, we are just in the beginning stage. Okay. Try to write as correct sentences as possible. And these are the main points I have found out. Okay, there may be many more. We will discuss as we go along. So here, I mean, I want to stop. If anybody wants to ask some doubt that whether my, and mainly your, marks, you may think that I should have got more marks and all that. Please go through this criteria, apply it, and see whether you are okay. Because in question number 3, 4, 5, and 6, all objective. Just take one answer. Either you are right or wrong. In question number 1 also, only you have to write Vibhakti Pratyaya, so there is hardly anything. If you have mugged up one table at least, you could get 10 out of 10. There also some spelling mistakes are there. I try to ignore 1 or 2 places, but if the spelling mistakes are more, I'm forced to reduce the marks. Now the forum is open. You can ask any questions.
Mohoday, one question.
Please.
Page number 80.
Book, okay.
Book. Gita Sopanam.
Gita, page number 88.
80. Ashtadasha.
हाँ पृच्छतु मल्लिनाथ
Question 3/8.
हाँ
Question number 3/8.
on
Atma na
page number 18 or 80.
80.
80. I opened 18. Okay. Question number 3. Okay.
3/8.
हाँ 8th. Okay. आत्मा. हाँ
Atma na
हाँ
कंचित हन्ति.
हाँ करेक्ट.
हाँ, नवा केनचित हन्यते.
हाँ करेक्ट.
So is it first is kartari and second is karmani? Is it correct?
हाँ करेक्ट.
Huh?
Yes.
Then how this hanti? This hanti grammar I didn't get.
Hanti. Okay. I will
Huh.
share the screen again.
Hmm.
No. Hold on. Okay. Now let me open ashtadhyay.com. If in doubt, go to ashtadhyay.com.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Hmm.
Go to Dhatu Patha and type
Acha.
here Hana Dhatu.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Okay.
हाँ. Hmm.
Hana Himsayam. Okay. Drishyate va?
हाँ.
Hanti hatah gnanti. Hansi hatah hatha. Hanmi hanmaha. Now your doubt is like patati patata pathanti is bahuvachan. Pathanti is bahuvachan. Hanti is ekvachanam. How? Okay. So this is a special dhatu. Han dhatu is a special dhatu. I'll not say special dhatu. It belongs to a special gana.
अच्छा.
I cover this under when we discuss dhatu ganas. Once I have discussed, but people are not yet accustomed to that. But whenever in doubt, open this ashtadhyay.com, go to dhatu or whichever this one, and find. So,
Alright.
hataha gnanti, hansi hataha hata, hanmi hanmaha hanmaha. These are the dhatu rupas. Okay.
Okay.
So hanti is not bahuvachan shabda, it is ekavachan shabda eva. Na kanchit atma hanti. The soul kills. Atma is the karta, hanti is the kriya padam. Okay.
All right.
अन्यः कोऽपि प्रश्नमिच्छति वा?
Sorry.
Sir, I have one request.
हाँ.
This halanta shabdanam vibhakti pratyayah.
हाँ.
If possible, if you have time, could we do it once more? Because it's not available. The recording is also not available, and
Recording is not available.
I think once more would be more.
No problem. I will do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow itself, if we.
Sir, even I want once more. Same halanta.
Okay.
Revision.
So tomorrow first half I will be taking only the halanta shabdas vibhakti pratyaya. Okay. 6 tables are there. I'll again. Has everybody received that 6 table file PDF form?
Yeah, that is sent on WhatsApp. It is there.
Yeah, everybody, you can download on your either you can write down in your book, notebook, or you can save it somewhere so that you can read at a convenient time. These 6 tables will cover most of the halanta words. I will not claim that all the Holland words in Sanskrit are covered by this, but most of the words that we people are going to come across will be covered by this, these 6 tables. Okay. Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anything more?
Mahodaya, one doubt.
Huh.
This one question that Damayantiya. Now, one, I mean, I feel I have 2 interpretations. One is what is given as Damayantiya, so that is Shatranta Damayanti.
Yes.
And Pratipadikam Damayat. Okay. Now, Damayantiya, I can also interpret from the Kavyam Nala Damayanti. It becomes Namapadam Sumadta.
No, that is okay. But if you put that as Nalena instead of Damayantya, okay. If you want to say, I mean, since we have asked to change only the lingam, so it has to be Visheshan and not the proper noun, isn't it? I mean, I have asked you to change the lingam, okay. That means I can't ask you to change the lingam of that lady. I'm the heroine of that epic, Nala Damayanti.
I mean, from that, I am taking that there exists a name called Damayanti. Now, if separate from the Kavyam, if I have to give to some Pullinga person that equivalent name, I may say Damayantaha.
No. Can't.
Separate from the Kavyam.
No. Separate from the Kavyam. You can't change the lingam of that Damayantaha. Okay. I mean, okay, let us see. Let us take an example. Okay, I mean, what you have in mind is Sundari and Sundaraha. Okay, Sundari and Sundaraha. So that is one, but here, I mean, I don't know. At least my knowledge is not that enough. If remove from the epic and just treat as a standalone word, what will be the Pratipadikam? I don't know. Okay, I'll confirm from my seniors and come back to you. But
no problem. I just wanted to, because the problem that occurred to me, I was confused whether to treat it as Shatranta or as a Subanta.
No, who told you is Shatranta is not Subanta? See,
no, in that way, I mean, usually how I see, I mean, my limited knowledge, when verbal forms come, it is easy to identify as the Shatranta, like Gachat, Gachan, Gachanti, it becomes easy. But whereas this word was kind of, camouflage.
No, it was slightly, not camouflage, it was a googly, you can say.
Yeah.
That it combines 2 things. One is it is Shatranta. I mean, the dhatu plus Shatru pratyaya and added to that Stri pratyaya and added to that Sup pratyaya. There are 3 pratyayas after the dhatu. The Dama dhatu, add to that Shatru pratyaya, you'll get Damayat. Then add Stri pratyaya, you'll get Damayanti. And add Sup pratyaya, you'll get Damayantya. Okay. Now here, keep all other things same except change the lingam. So lingam of what? This one. Stri pratyaya will go. That's all. So what will happen? Dhamma dhatu plus Shatru pratyaya plus Tritiya pratyaya. That will happen. So that way.
Yeah.
And I mean, in front of all the students and Prabhakar Mahodaya here, of course, the result is out in the WhatsApp group. We congratulate Krishna Kumar Mahodaya. He has just lost 1 mark because of this confusion. Otherwise, he could have scored 50 out of 50. Okay. So I'm proud to have such a good student with me. Okay, so anyway, congratulations.
Thank you.
Sir, there is one doubt, sir.
Prichadu.
Uh, Page number 82, sir.
Oh, you're still ahead. 82.
Sir, this table is there, Kanchit and Kanchan, this one, Uma Aham. There is one fifth one is there, Kanchita Kanchana. So when I split it, that arm sound is coming, and apart from this visarga is there, so it became Kanchita. So which one is this, sir? There is which kind of vibhakti? I applied pulling, striling, and napunsankling. I didn't find this.
Okay, what about first one, Kanchit and Kanchan?
Sir, this is come actually. So come and it became Kanchit when it is joining with Chit.
Yeah.
As per my understanding.
Second one,
it is Kaha. So Kaha was here Rame Rama this striling Bahuvachan, Prathama Bahuvachan.
Okay.
We can say that. And it became Kashchita or Kanchana Visarga remove and Sh came.
Very good.
Okay.
Then third is
Kani is Napunsankling like Prathama or Ditya.
Okay.
Phalam Phale Phalani, this one like this. Okay. Kanchit was again like a Ka sound is coming. So Kam is became Kanchit because of Chit and Chin. And here Kim became Kinchit and Kinchan. Here Kam, Aha. How can come, sir, here? Fifth one.
It is, the ending is Nakar, Kan and Chit.
Oh.
Okay. If there is a Nakar at the end, okay, and followed by Chakar, this one, it becomes Chakar, Sakar, Takar, all those things are there. Okay. So it becomes Kan Chit or Kan Chan. So कहा कौ के कम कौ कान द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन पुल्लिंग शब्द. Okay.
Oh.
How this comes, we will learn in the Sandhi class, maybe after this, not in this Gita Sopan second, third view. So it is Kanchit is Kan Chit or Kan Chan द्वितीय विभक्ति बहुवचन.
That na became sha because of sandhi. No. And it is the pulling bahuvachan.
Nakar becomes anuswara first on the previous letter. Okay. And followed by shakar in the next this one.
Chit.
ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस तथैव च भजाम्यहम्. गीता वचनम. Okay. तांस तथैव, तान and tathaiva, that is preceded by sakar. Taans tathaiva.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Any other?
Sir, I just now come to know this is my mistake. I didn't see the second question properly. I just wrote the first column, Prathama Vibhakti of Idam Strilinga, and everyone has made the sentences. Then I come to know it was, we should make a sentence in that to use that one. No, I didn't see properly the question.
No problem. Next time you see properly. And you are not going to lose much. Life is very long and beautiful. Okay. Yes, there are many things you want to achieve. So don't lose heart by such small things.
Sir, Vibhuti artha kaha, sir?
Huh?
Vibhuti.
Huh. Vibhuti artha.
Huh.
Vibhuti artha, as per the Gita, that Vibhuti Yoga Shloka, the best among a group is Vibhuti. Okay. If you go through that, whatever in the beginning, the best among that lot is Vibhuti. Adityanamam Vishnur Jyotisham Raviransuman. So in that group, whatever is the best is called Vibhuti of that group. Okay. So tomorrow we will meet around 10 o'clock, same time. So, and please read your own question paper, answers papers. Try to rectify yourselves, and apply all the. I'll be now printing this Word file and making it as a PDF form. I'll send it through WhatsApp to everybody, and to Sandesh I'll send by mail because he is not on the WhatsApp. So please try to apply these rules whenever you write something. Keep these. In the beginning, you will feel that it is very strenuous. Every time I have to go through all the rules and all that. Slowly, it will become a part of your system. Okay, immediately it will come to your mind. Oh, I should not break the word unless there is a vibhakti pratyay. That kind of thing will come. Okay. So with this, samapayama mohdaya.
महोदय समापयामः.
Astu. I will say Shanti Mantra and then we will discuss. Those who want to stay, you can stay, no problem. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः महोदय.